Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail ID or Google account name. So let's start. First open the Gmail app. Now tap on your profile picture on top right corner. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Now tap on Personal Info and tap on your name. Here you will be able to change your name. I'll just change my last name to show you guys. When you are done, tap Save. And the change might take a while to show. And that's how you can change your Gmail ID or Google account name. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.